How Hostinger manages to offer the highest quality web hosting services at the unbeaten prices at Hostinger. Our target as a company is simple. We aim to change the world by empowering everybody with the opportunity to unlock the power of the internet by providing our users with the world's fastest web hosting services at the unbeaten prices. Since we were founded over a decade ago, we have delivered on our target each year. We are still unbeaten in providing the world's cheapest web hosting services, and we are always receiving amazing Hostinger reviews from our customers. You may be asking how a company with over 29 million customers in 178 countries manages to constantly perform at the highest possible level. Well, the answer is simple. We have built the Hostinger brand around making our customers' number our biggest priority in providing highly affordable products. As a company, we are also practical, innovative, and efficient. Think of us as the IKEA of the web hosting world, except we aren't Swedish and we don't sell flat pack furniture. Read on to discover the secret.